Hi, I'm John from NYC. Today, I would like to show you guys how to make some sort of heat source or little fire during the emergency situation at home, just in case if the blackout happens or some kind of extreme cold weather happens and you don't have any kind of heat source or stuff like that. So just keep it in mind, this is for emergency situation anyways. So first thing what you will need is a little metal can, okay? Hopefully you guys have some kind of metal cup or anything, it will work. It's not something very deep, okay? This will be fine. Let's say like regular or empty tuna can should be fine also, stuff like that. Also, you will need a tissue for a wig. This will be used as a wig, kind of folded up. It's a regular tissue. And you will need cooking oil. Hopefully everybody has some cooking oil at home. Anyways, you kind of fold it up. It is best to flush with the can when you fold it up, or slightly smaller, okay? And you just put it in. Mine is slightly smaller, like so. And then you add the cooking oil, not all the way to the top, just about half or slightly over half of the can. Let's add some oil. Little bit. And you just wait a little bit until the tissue suck up all the oil to the top, very top portion. It will get there, but it's a bit slow. Okay, so just about there. A lot of oil in my hand now. Anyways, I don't know, you guys can't see it clearly, but it's about there. And then you need to have a lighter, match, something to light it up. And just light it. It will take some time, but you will go all the way around. That's just the process. It's a bit slow, but it will go all the way around. Also, since it is using a cooking oil, so it burn time is really good and burns slower than alcohol. So this is something you can use during the emergency situation. Once the fire go all the way around, you can also use this as a, some kind of fire source to cook something or heat up water or whatever. Goes around. But one thing bad about this, using this, is that it does create some soot, number one. Number two, you will smell the burning oil, since it's cooking oil, that's what actually burning, okay? So if you don't mind that, or if you're in an emergency situation, this is another way to use it. And this gonna last for quite a while, depending how big the can is, also how much oil you put it in. I could safely say it would last up to a few hours. And I haven't done that with the tuna can before in the past. So, and all you need is like some kind of camping stand, like so. Put it on, and put a pot up there or whatever. You could heat up something. So, this is not for normal use. This is definitely, okay? This is definitely for the emergency situation, okay? I hope this will help out some of the guys who's in those kind of situations or whatever, okay? And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe will be really nice. Till next time, guys.